Buried Days. He sinks alone in his dreams, a dead calm that everyone cannot feel, in the high summit of that closed mountain, where breeze shakes sweet memories of scratched heart. It heavily bleeds, a drop by drop, it cannot restrain. His eyes full of tears, though he denies to cry. He dreams in a weaving sea. Deeply he draws towards a found end. There may he will mend, being better than sad. There may he will grip the hand of his assassinated friend, soul mating with soul waiting for rain, to feed the dead seeds of lost days. He, with open heart, waits for the imminent sight of idealistic getting down sun beyond that summit, when it might come after a bright shine. The dark has spread all over. He still waits. He still waits cleanliness of new day and its imparted light. That's time of thinking up. Then he has to rise on 2 feet. He has to dash all past things. Beat by beat, he will trudge. Beat by beat, he will trudge the way to the future. He dreadfully still gazes at the scene through a mist of tears. Painfully, the poor wipes sweat off his face. A man of sensuous feelings, a true-to-life sentiment being. From deep inside, he vainly tries to draw cheers. Nothing can back his misery up. Even his disheartened soul, a great piety of unfound truth, an appalling anxiety for the mixed blood and soul. There, where sweet dreams assert its growth, that is sure enough for the wasteland. The man his pleads and highly stand to be. The coming days will appeal, the buried days. The moment of glory we get back someday, 'cause after the dawn is the dusk, and the riding moon glints the way.